I love when he yawns. He just woke up from a nap. Hey, Chadwick. You see that yawn? So cute. Come on, yawn for daddy. Lick, lick, lick. I went to the gym, came back. This guy tore up one of his pee pads and probably ate a lot of it. That's some separation anxiety right there. I wonder if he went pee though. I don't see any pee anywhere. Guess he didn't go yet. But it's raining outside, so I'll probably set some pee pads up right here. Alright, so he basically yacked all the pee pads up. So I rearranged this cage so that I don't have to put pee pads on this carpet anymore. And if he pees on the floor, it'll be easier to clean up, I guess. But yeah, have fun in there. I have to work. As you can see, it's raining pretty bad. The pee pads are soaked again. So he went inside, which is good. He's sniffing a little bit, wondering if he has to poop though. So don't poop inside, please. Damn it. It's raining outside and I try to get him to go on the pads inside, but he has an accident. Damn. His first poop accident.
Maybe nothing exists.
I should have kept him out there. And he pees outside my door. Dang. Poo and pee right there. Guess it's my fault though. This guy's been a little naughty today. Huh? Yeah, you? Bad.